New at 4:30, a mental health crisis center for kids is coming to Huntsville. It'll be the first of its kind here in Alabama. Here's Way 31's Megan Reyna with why it's needed now more than ever.
Off South Memorial Parkway, day in and day out, workers are laying down the foundation, creating a center that'll not only save the lives of adults, but kids as well.
We started working on this back in 2018, 2019.
Jeremy Blair is the CEO of Wellstone Behavioral Health. He says the construction you see next to its current facilities is for the Adult Mental Health Crisis Center. But the work doesn't stop there. There's now funding for a wing specifically for kids experiencing a mental health emergency.
Our youth are in a mental health crisis right now, and we need to continue to bring resources we can.
A crisis that was magnified by the pandemic.
That kind of sped up a lot of timelines and also highlighted the need for crisis beds for pediatrics especially.
HIMSI transports about 800 kids out of the county every year. Right now, the nearest crisis beds are in Decatur. And while we have emergency rooms here in Huntsville, Blair says it's not the same.
Emergency departments are wonderful, and they do a lot of great work in our community especially, but it's not always the right choice for someone who's in a psychiatric or mental health crisis.
But like an emergency room, this center will be open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
They're not open 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Because crises don't just happen in those hours.
Where I'm standing right here will be the Children's Center. Construction is set to start in about a year. Now behind me is the Adult Center. That should be ready to go in August. Reporting in Huntsville, Megan Reyna, Way 31 News.
The pediatric wing will have more than 20 beds once it's complete. The funding was awarded from state lawmakers and the governor.